This is social media versus reality. First is the Maldives, known for its crystal blue water and luxurious resorts. But in reality, it's still beautiful, but it's very unpredictable weather. Next up is Diamond Beach, Iceland, known for its stunning displays of icebergs from the nearby glacier lagoon that wash up on the black sand shore, creating a beautiful contrast. But in reality, it's just as beautiful, but beware of the freezing water. And to end it, the stunning rainfall located in Switzerland, which has an amazing view and large waterfall. But in reality, the waterfall looks even more beautiful, and you should definitely go here.